Hello students, today I am here to give you some tips for your physics board exams. First, read your question paper thoroughly, properly and set your mind with a good strategy how you are going to attempt your question paper. Okay, second is while writing your answers in your answer sheet, you have to mark the question number, your section properly, neatly. This will maintain the presentability and it will help the examiner while evaluating your answer sheet. Third point is you have to manage your time properly. Like there are different sections, there are different types of questions in your physics exam. First, the 1 marks question, so you have to know that how much you have to write in that question. Use keywords, mention it properly. Okay, while deriving for long answer type questions, you have to write assumptions, you have to draw label diagram. This will gives a better approach for your answer. While solving the numericals, you have to write the formula and just write in an orderly manner, in a stepwise manner. Likewise, for long answers also, you have to write in an orderly manner, that what you have to write first and it follows the rest. In theory type, any proof, so you have to write in a good manner. Fine. Last is stay calm during your paper, don't get panic, and still if you find difficulty in any questions, you have to focus from which particular topic it's been taken and then accordingly you have to answer it. Okay. Last, fifth tip is try to solve your answer sheet before 10 minutes, so we'll get enough time to revise it and to check if you skip any question or you have to write anything else. Okay, all the best students, do it well.